you next. I just want to make sure you're here.
Oh, you're back. You're back. Sorry. Right there.
Oh yeah. So Web3 is going to be a part of this next thing. Holy cow. Seems like a lot of memories right there.
Yeah, possible so. Welcome. It's Insanesounds. Markabytes. It's going live.
Markabytes.
Yeah, Markabytes, man. It's a good word. I like copywrote it in like 11.
I got to start that Wikipedia thing with that.
Markabytes. What it basically means is like this. I'll break it down for you. You're inside a studio. You need to know something. Anything. Markabytes. Simple as that. You can even like YouTube that right there. That's huge for you, bro. I just
That's
blew you
huge.
up.
You
That's
did.
coming from Web3, CEO, Deaf Group,
Booyah.
or Longhurst. Markabytes. I use it once a month. It's kind of like, here, let me give you another little
Oh no.
It's kind of like
I'm trying to fade out. And
you say like you got like your call, you're on that game show where you got to make like a call to know the answer. Like who are you going to call? There's millions of people. Call Mark.